Now, how do you know if your circuit board is good or not? And, you know, spend that money to buy a new spa pack. Now, I'll link right above here the video you should be watching to get to this point. All the things you're gonna have to test to get to this point if you think it's the board, to narrow it right down. So the last thing you're gonna do once you watch that video, the next thing you're gonna do is, even if you have to take a magnifying glass, half time I need a magnifying glass to kind of look at all these little circuits and everything like that to see if there's anything melted. Now this circuit board I took out just to see. Now on the front, I looked everywhere. I couldn't see any burn marks or anything like this. Now this one's good. This one's fine. Now you just look for any burn marks. You flip it over and you see any burn marks. It's pretty noticeable if there's any burn marks. Now this pack here has some melted pieces right in this area. And you can smell it too when you open it up. If it's a relay, most of the time it's pretty visible if it's a spa pack. As soon as you open up this, you'll open it up and there'll probably be a burn mark, a black mark on here because the relay exploded, and you'll see the relay all melted, everything like that. Well, obviously you need a new board. But if you want to make sure 100%, I know it's a pain trying to take these off, to take these boards off. If you really want to save money, then you're going to end up going through all that stuff anyway. Pull it off. If you think in your mind that that is gone, if you go through all the steps in our videos and you're going to pull that off, you have nothing to lose by pulling it off because you're thinking it's fried anyway. You've tested everything, and pull that off and see for sure. See if you're sure if there's any burn marks in the back or if it's anything melted in there. That's the only way you're going to know for sure. You're not going to lose anything by, you know, hey, put a new pack in. Now, if this video helped you out at all, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to us. Any comments below, anything that I missed, any other future videos you want to see, and we'll see you on the next one.